Hello everyone and welcome in a new video. Today I have a pack of 5 materials. They are totally for free. You can find the link in the description. These materials are actually fabric materials that I've created procedurally in Blender. So before getting into how to use them, I would like to announce that I've created a Patreon account. So if you guys want to subscribe in my Patreon account, you will be having monthly materials and shaders, and you will be having access to source files of my Instagram artwork renders. You will be having source files, they are Blender source files, and also you will be able to have source files of the animation that I create using animation nodes or using normal animation. So if you guys want to subscribe, just go ahead and you will find the link in the description for my Patreon account. And let's go back into these shaders. Yeah, by the way, these shaders are totally for free. You can go ahead and download them from the link in the description also. So we'll start by this fabric material. The way to use it is really pretty simple. This is actually a custom node group, so if you click on it and hit tab, you will be able to see behind the scenes the nodes that I've used to create them. Also, if you want to change something, it's totally free to do that. Maybe you want to change the texture coordinate, if you want to change it to object or something, it's totally up to you. Here in the custom node group, you can change the scale. For example, if you want to scale it up, you will see the change that you have on the mesh that you have used your material on. You can also change the scale as you want. For the color, you would be able to change the colors too. Here in the color ramp, maybe you want to use different colors. So that's it for the first one, the fabric one. The second one is silk fabric. The way to use it is just have to change the color, any color you want to use. Pretty easy to use. Also, you can change the displacement because I've added some stripes to have some more details. Just use low, very low values here. So as you can see here, if we zoom in a bit, started seeing these stripes to make it look more like fabric. And if you don't want to have that, just make the value 0. For the remaining ones, the wool shader, it's pretty simple one. You can just change the color as you want. Pretty simple. For the second wool shader, you have sorry for my laggy viewport. Anyway, as I've said, for this second wool, what you can do is change the size of the stripe. For example, if you want to have smaller stripes, you can change the value of this X as you want. As you see here, if you want a bigger value, just parse it in. Anyway, also if you want to change the displacement of the details, as you can see here, you can change them from the displacement socket here, from this displacement setting from here. Also the same thing sorry, same thing for the colors. You can change them from here, from the color ramp. yeah, that's it for the second wool material. And for the third, it's also a wool material with these details here. So I have the same thing for it. If you want to change the stripes, oh, that's not this one, yeah. If you want to change the scale of the displacement, yeah, you have to change this one. It's displacement, not scale. I will fix it. You will find it in the link in the description, as I've said before. So if you want to change the amount of displacement, you have to change the value here. So the bigger the value, the more details you have. So I recommend to just leave it at this value here to have the desired looking fabric. Also, you can change the colors of the two parts, the striped part and the other color. Just click here on the other color, the color ramp, and you will be able to change the color accordingly. So yeah, that's it guys for this fabric pack. As I've said, you will be able to find it in the link in the description, and it's totally for free. The link is a Gumroad link to my store. As I've said, also go ahead and subscribe in my Patreon account to have more shaders like this and other assets for Blender. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one, inshallah.